Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, here going to show you how to make engagement invitation video in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly create engagement invitation video here in Canva. Well, creating one is going to be fairly easy because I'll be showing you some tips and some tricks here that you may want to start using. Now, first, let's go and discuss how do we start creating one. So the great thing about Canva here is there are going to be a lot of templates that you could use that is already existing here to make your invitation video quite really easy. So you can create this under like 15 minutes as long as you know what you already want for your invitation video. So yeah, how do we get started here? So first is going to start creating a design. So at the left side here, let's go and click on create a design. And from here, what you could do is you could go ahead and just choose whichever format you want. So there are presentations here, Facebook post, landscape, Instagram post, flyers, and a lot more. But so obviously we want to create an invitation video. So let's go to the what would you like to create here. Because the great thing, again, like what I said before, you could go ahead and just use already existing videos or templates here for your project. So in this case, just type in invitation video. Now, by the way, you could go and just add like wedding invitation, very start here, and just press enter. You have there like for some wedding invitation video, you could go and just select that, and it should create a project for you. Now, from here, it will give you different types of or in this case, different templates that you could use here. So in this case, by the way, you could choose whatever you want. So by the way, if you do see a crown under or at the bottom right here, it means that you need to have a pro plan in order for you to start using it. But there are going to be free options that you could use. So in this case, you could go and choose whichever you want. So for example, maybe I want to use the first one here. Let's go and click on this one. And in this case, there are going to be different effects. As you can see right now, you can apply this to all your pages. Now, if you want to go back, just click on the arrow at the top left. And you could go and just go back and select whichever you want. And you could just click on apply all 10 pages here. And it will apply all the effects as you can see right now. Which is something really cool. As you can see, let's go and start playing this just to give you an idea. And there's also going to be some music into it. So if you want to hear it, but it's going to mute it real quickly here. So it's not going to be distracting as you can see. Now from here, you could go and just change or update the information that you'll be seeing here. Now, as you can see, each element that you see here can be updated. So, for example, you could go and just double click on the text itself and just change the text for it. You could go ahead and just change the name for it as well. As you can see, maybe I want to say this is going to be for, let's just say it's going to be about Abby. And this is going to be about Mark. And from here, you could just update all the information. Also, the effects here. By the way, it's moving because this one is actually a GIF. So if you have a collection of GIFs that you want to use for your video project here, you could go and just go to uploads at the left side here, and just click on upload files and just upload your GIF. But you could also use existing ones by accessing elements here and just maybe say like flowers. And from here, let's go and choose flowers. And there are going to be a lot. Ones say photos, videos as well, and a lot more. So if you go to graphics, you could just basically see them in here as you can see. Now, in this case, you can just edit whatever you want here. And as you can see, by the way, if you click on this element, click on this one, as you can see, this it appears. You can go and click on the 3-dot option here, and you can just basically edit it. As you can see right now, it appears in here. But you can go and shorten this one just in case if you want to. See right now, there's like a transition to it. Go and click on duration. See the whole duration for it. And yeah. Also for individual elements here, you also have the option to add like animations to it. So by default, the other or the elements that we see here has their own animations. As you can see here now, you have like fade. You have a lot more like breathe. You can basically see it basically in here. As you can see right now, there's like different looks that you get here, so depending on what you need. By default, again, from this design, this is going to be like a fade one, but obviously you can go and update that if you want to. Now, as an example, maybe I want to change this to designs here. Now, maybe I want to use a different design. Like for example, maybe I want to use this one instead. Let's go and just by the way, you don't need to drag it in here. You just click on it and you could just basically move it around. As you can see right now, I can even rotate it if I want, and as you can see right now. And by the way, if you want to change a few things here, as you can see right now, this is blocking the look of it. So how do we change that? Now you could actually go ahead and just right click on your image here that you have. Like you go to layers and you could just click on the send backward option, or in this case send to back option here. So if you click on send backward, this just send this at the back of it. So you go and send this backward as well further. Now, if you want to send this at the very back, you want to go and just choose the option for setting it at the very back, and just basically use the send to back option here. So which is control alt block here if you want. So yeah. Now also you have the option to change the actual look for it. So you can go and just change the animation. So I've selected the actual image here. So you can go to animate here and just choose the animation for it. So you have a lot here. So we have ink, as you can see right now. So just go and choose that. Let's go and move it around here, since we move this in order to access that element or picture here. And by the way, if you select the duration here, so you can go and click at the very bottom, you have the purple icon here. You could actually delete that, and you could go and add your own music here. Now, same thing, you want to just go to uploads, click on upload file here, and you just want to upload your own music. So for example, I want to use this one, click on open. And once I've uploaded that, I should be able to start using it on my project here. So just wait for it. So you can see it's now uploaded. Let's go and press and hold on it and upload it in here, and make sure we start at the very start here. But or you could just add this and move it around once you've done that, and it should now be added. So this will be the music of our video here, or our presentation, or our engagement invitation video. So in this case, you can just do whatever you want here. And another thing that you could actually try doing here is you could actually change a few things here. So in this case, like maybe you want to go and upload or change the video itself. So you could go and just click on it, and you can just delete it. But the great thing about this one is, as long as you already have the element or the video for it, what you could just do is just press and hold on it and just drag it into that position, and that will replace the video itself, as you can see right now. So again, you could go upload your file here, upload your own video if you want. But yeah. Now, also, if you want to change the background, so for example, I want to change the background for this one, so you can click on the whole background here. You could go ahead and change a few things. Like you could go ahead and click on the color here, change to a different, like make it blue if you want, make it white or black or whatever you want. So this is something really helpful here that you could do. So yeah, so those are the basics that you need to do in order for you to start creating your engagement video here. So obviously there are going to be a lot more here, but that's how you get started here. You just need to drag and drop different elements, change a few things, change the animations for it in whatever way you want. But obviously, if you want to get more designs, use more designs here in Canva, you may need to get the pro plan. But generally speaking here, you could go and just be creative, and you could go and create your own. This depends on your creativity alone here. But yeah. So by the way, if you want to share this, you could go and click on share at the top right here. And you could go ahead and just download this one and send this to everyone, and or post this on Instagram or Facebook, or you can even just click on the public view link here, which in this case they can just click on the link and they will be able to start viewing your video here. But yeah, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to learn up. Thank you for watching.